You are probably wondering how to turn images like this one into this, or even this. Well, you are in luck because, hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I am going to show you how you can transform images into artistic styles like Studio Ghibli for free, and all this with AI. Well, are you excited? Let's go. First of all, click the Hugging Face link in the description and let's get started. The program is called Omni Control Art. Let's scroll down and try this example image of Steve Jobs showcasing the first iPhone. The selected style is Studio Ghibli. Let's press Generate Image. Now we need to wait only like 20 seconds. It is super fast. Here it is. I just love it. Let's download it. Now let's try the Irasutoya style. Okay, not quite a fan of that style, to be honest. Now let's try out the Simpsons style. Okay, amazing. Now let's try the Snoopy style. Wow, this is so nice. This is really giving me that crazy frog style vibes when he was traveling Paris. Now let's try this meme image and turn it into Ghibli Studio. Just perfect. Now we will try something ourselves. Let's try it with this Mr. Bean image. Haha, that is nice. Now let's try Donald Trump. Ha ha ha, amazing. Let's try Adriana Lima. Okay, we get errors. Let's try Donald Trump again. Okay, nice. Ha ha ha, this one is just perfect. Let's try The Simpsons with Mr. Bean. Wow, just amazing. Wow, this also looks great. Now it's your turn. Bye.